Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another tutorial. So today I wanted to do like a bronzy makeup look, and I come up with this look using the Makeup Revolution Mint Chocolate palette. I've only used this once on my channel and I absolutely love this palette. It's drugstore obviously, and it's definitely worth it as well. The pigment of the eyeshadows, I'm just absolutely gorgeous. I just think it's perfect for this time of the year. It's getting like more colder, autumn is here and it's nearly Christmas. I just absolutely love the way it turned out. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page, because today is where I'm at the log cabin. Obviously this tutorial is pre-recorded, but I am at the log cabin today with Jake, and I really want you to see the story and the pictures I am putting up. So make sure you go and follow me on my Instagram, which is at Jadevanessa Moseley. Make sure you go ahead and hit that follow button, and also knock a few likes on my pictures and comment on them as well. And I'd love to talk to you over DM, and I want to know what you want to see next on my channel. So either comment on the comment section below or send me a DM on my Instagram page. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So I'm going to be priming my eyes with the Naked Skin Urban Decay concealer in the shade Light Fair. I can't remember the last time I used this, and I literally just found out the other day, and literally I can't remember how full coverage it was, and I think I fell back in love with it. So I'm just going to blend that out and then set it in place with some No. 7 translucent powder. Then going in with the Mint Chocolate palette from Makeup Revolution, I'm going to start off with the lightest shade in the palette and literally blow this out in my crease and above my crease, just to act as a transition shade. Then dipping into this burgundy shade. This is going to go on the outer corner of our lids, and probably going into the inner half of our lids as well, just to add some definition in to the eye look. Then I'm just going to blend that colour out with that transition shade we applied in the first place. Then going in with this more ready toned shade, I'm going to be taking this on a more defined brush and concentrating this on the crease, the inner corner, and also on the outer corner as well, just to deepen it up and give it a lot more of a bronzy feel. Then going in with the dark brown in this palette. This brown isn't that pigmented at all, but it worked beautifully well with this look, just because I didn't want it too deep on the outer corner, but I just did want some extra darkness into the outer corner. So once I've applied that, I'm going to be blending it out with that red tone shade, and then just blending it out with a clean brush, and then going back in with a transition shade to blend all the shades out nicely together. Then going in with the Makeup Revolution Chocolate palette, I'm just going to take the highlighter palette and just literally apply that onto my inner corner. And then for the wings today, I'm just using the Maybelline liquid eyeliner pen, which I always use because it's absolutely brilliant. And I'm just going to be doing like a really classic elongated wing. Then going in with the Max Factor False Lash Expert mascara. This is their waterproof one and it's really good. And then I'm just going to go in with the Ardell Wispy Lashes. Then I'm just going to run underneath that red toned and brown shade underneath my lower lash line, just to create some definition underneath there. Then again, just applying some mascara. Then I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I haven't used this for a very long time either. And I'm just going to literally mix all these shades from the lightest to the darkest, just to bronze and contour my face. Then going in with the No. 7 Peach Velvet Blush and just applying this to the apples of my cheeks. Then carving out my cheekbones with that No. 7 translucent powder as well. I forgot to show you guys, so sorry. And then to highlight my face and my inner corner, my brow bones, I'm going to go in with the Jouer highlighter in the shade Citron. Then just setting my brows in place using the Maybelline Brow Mascara in the shade Medium Brown. Then for lips today, I'm going to go in with the Beauty Bakery Lip Whip in the shade Love Palace, and then over the top of that I'll be using the number 7 lip gloss in the shade Pink Latte. And then to set the face in place, which you always want to make sure you do, I'll be going in with the Makeup Revolution All Control Setting Mist. So guys, this is the end result. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. I definitely enjoyed creating this look for you. I just absolutely love the way the eyes come out. They're very matte, and yeah, I just love like the whole warm tones. You know, they are my favourite. But yeah, make sure you give this tutorial a big thumbs up if you did enjoy watching it. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, like I keep saying, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. But without further ado, I have nothing else to say other than I love you all so much, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. But yeah, bye guys.